Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Supreme Ventures is reporting a 14.4% increase in net profit for the first 6 months of 2026. The gaming and lottery company earned $1.48 billion in net profit for the period ending June 30, up $186 million from the corresponding period last year. The company says the improved performance was driven by higher gaming revenues. Total gaming income increased by 4.7%, boosted by growth in sports betting and lottery reserves. The company also noted that sales have now surpassed pre-Hurricane Melissa levels, reflecting what it described as strong recovery against its network. For the trading period of August 10, 2026, the most actively traded securities were AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited with 25,012,199 units, representing 39.55% of market sales. Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 13,941,250 units, representing 22.04% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited shares with 4,036,278 units, representing 6.38% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 10, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.03 and buying at $157.40. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.09 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.02 and was bought for $112.93. The British pound had continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $2.47 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.38 and was bought for $210.91. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, after 50, your credit deserves a new strategy. Rebuilding credit after 50 shouldn't be viewed as repairing a financial mistake. It should be viewed as repositioning yourself for opportunity. Whether you're planning to start a business, invest in real estate, purchase an asset, or simply create greater financial flexibility, your credit profile can influence your access to capital. So what should you focus on? Well, clean up the past first, which is any outstanding debts, errors, or delinquent accounts. Then strengthen the present. So you want to pay obligations on time, reduce high balance, and avoid any unnecessary new debt. You want to prepare for the future, which is build documented income, maintain financial records, and establish cash reserves. You also want to think beyond the credit score. So you want to understand that lenders are looking for your ability to repay. And what's really important is don't let your financial history convince you that your financial future is already determined. You may have fewer years to waste at 50 plus, but you also have more experience, knowledge, and perspective to make your money work differently. Your credit profile isn't just a record where you've been. It can be part of the foundation of where you're going next. And that's today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.